Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Python 101 Mastering the Python course. My name is Shitij, and I am your instructor for Python 101 Mastering the Python course. This course is designed for completely beginners or intermediate level students. Now, if you are wondering why you should take this course, there are many courses on YouTube or any other sites. You should take this course because it is very professional. It has many quizzes. It has quizzes in every videos, questions, and many projects. And the most important thing, fun while learning this course. When it comes to programming, I believe in making it as interesting as possible. Unlike other courses, this course is not boring, and I don't want you to learn in a dull manner. You will never forget the concepts you learn in this course. If you have any other questions, I will answer them later on. Now let's talk about what Python is. By the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation in Python programming and be able to use it for various of tasks. So, what is Python? Introduction to the Python. Python is a high-level programming language that is easy to learn and use. It has gained popularity in recent years due to its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Python is an interpreted language, which means that code can be executed without the need for compilation. This makes it a great choice for beginners who want to get started with programming. Now, if it is your first time entering into the computer science and programming languages, you may be confused by saying what is high level programming language, compilation, interpreted language, etc. So, don't worry, I will give you information about it. High-level programming languages are designed to be easy to read and write. This allows developers or coders to focus on the logic of their code rather than worrying about the low-level implementation details. High-level languages typically have built-in data structures and libraries that make common programming tasks easier and faster to implement. There are various features which have been pre-built in Python, which we are going to use in this course. Examples of high-level programming languages include Python, Java, and Ruby. Compilation. Compilation is the process of converting source code into machine code that can be executed by a computer. The compiler takes the source code written in high-level programming language and translates it into machine code that can be directly executed by the computer's CPU. Examples of compiled programming languages include C, C++, and Rust. Python is a programming language that needs to evolve daily in order to create an impact in this today world. There are numerous possibilities with Pythons. There are many programmers who work in Python to create various features, built-in modules, etc. Let's talk about Python history. Python was created by George Van Rossum in the late 1980s, around 40 years earlier. Python is an open source software, which means it is free to use and modify, and has a large and active community of developers who contribute to its development and improvement. As I said, there are many developers or who work for this community who contribute and develop the Python. Python characteristics. It's versatile. Python can be used for a wide range of tasks from web development to scientific community or artificial intelligence, etc. It's easy to learn. Python has a simple syntax and it is easy to read. Like if you if you are seeing the code, you can easily understand its concept quickly, making it an excellent language for beginners. It's in demand. Python is used by companies like Google, Dropbox, and Instagram, and is one of the most in demand programming languages in the job market. Now we have come to the end of the Python first video of our Python course. Now that's enough about theory part. In the next video, we will be installing some stuff to start coding. The fun begins in the next video, so stay tuned. But wait, the video is not over yet. As you remember, this course is full of quizzes, puzzles and questions. Read the following questions and comment down below in the comment section, and I will give a like if you answer it correct. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to comment below you with your answers to the questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video of Python 101 Master the Python course. Thank you.